If you drink honey lemon water every single morning, your body will go through a series of powerful changes, many of which you'll start noticing within the first week. On day 1, as soon as the warm water enters your system, your digestive tract begins to relax. The acidity of lemon helps your stomach break food down more easily, while honey provides gentle antibacterial benefits. Within the first 3 days, most people experience smoother digestion, reduced bloating, and an unexpected boost in morning energy, simply because their gut is functioning better. Between day 4 and 7, your hydration improves, your skin begins absorbing more antioxidants, and your immune system becomes stronger thanks to vitamin C. Many people notice clearer skin, fewer breakouts, and a lighter feeling throughout the day. By week 2, the real changes begin. Lemon water helps your liver flush out toxins more efficiently, while honey stabilizes blood sugar and reduces cravings. You start feeling more stable energy throughout the day instead of sudden spikes and crashes. By week 4, your metabolism becomes more efficient, your digestion is smoother, and many people report better weight control. Not because lemon water magically burns fat, but because it reduces overeating and improves hydration. And by the end of 30 days, the combination of warm water, lemon, and honey creates a noticeable long-term effect. Fewer colds, better skin, cleaner digestion, and much better morning energy. It's simple, cheap, and extremely effective. Try it for 30 days, and your mornings may never be the same again.